Hi, nice to meet you. You can call me Betty. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I'm cutting rocks 7, 8, 9, and 10 today. Initially, I wasn't sure if I'd cut all 4. I needed to boost my confidence. My last rock cutting experience was a bit like reality stopping by to say, "Hi, you're new here, right?" Well, it's not all fun and games. Things don't always work out. Don't forget it. On Tuesdays, we wear pink. I was recently given some advice to practice on some smaller rocks and get myself acquainted with my saw. So I was looking to cut a small rock this time, but rather than decide between the 4, I decided to cut all of them. The first rock looks a little bit like abstract art. It's pretty cool. I picked these rocks out from the piles around my house. I have rocks on the mantle, the tables, the countertop, the floor. I really want to go rock hounding and find some more. The weather on the coast just started to get really stormy, so I know it's washing up lots of new treasures for us all. I'm hoping to get out there sometime this week. Where do you like to go? The second rock is one of my favorites. It's wild, geometric, also a little bit abstract art, but more country somehow. This rock looks like a Western. I'm really grateful that I get to look inside these rocks and share them with you. But I want to be able to share them in their full glory. So I purchased an 8-inch all-in-one. I have a lot to learn about lapidary work, and I have a lot to learn about polishing too. Patience is key, and I have none of it. We can be pretty sure that they'll look better than they do now. The third rock looks a little bit like jasper that was melted. It's a mottled red and black inside. I want to polish it and take a look at it under the microscope. I had a good experience cutting these rocks. They're all incredible on the inside. I don't know how I got so lucky. I feel like each one of these rocks has something to tell us. It's really fun seeing inside of these rocks, and I hope that you enjoy coming along with me. This fourth rock is chaotic, impressionistic art. It's green, white, and gray. I'm going to polish these rocks and show them to you very soon. I can't wait to cut the next rock. See you later.